India's rise as the next global beauty powerhouse. International brands, manufacturers, and innovators converge in Bengaluru as India's cosmetics market enters a new era of growth. Indian beauty and personal care market, estimated to be worth over $30 billion. Cosmetica to be held June 19th to 21st event at Palace Grounds to highlight opportunities across skincare, fragrances, color cosmetics, wellness, and beauty technology. India is rapidly emerging as one of the world's most attractive destinations for the beauty and personal care industry, drawing the attention of global brands, manufacturers, ingredient suppliers, and investors seeking growth in a dynamic consumer market. Against this backdrop, Cosmetica 2026, India's premier cosmetics, beauty, and personal care exhibition, will be held from June 19 to 21, 2026, at Palace Grounds, Bengaluru, bringing together stakeholders from across the beauty value chain. The exhibition will be inaugurated by actor Nidhi Agarwal, actor and president of the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce, Dr. Jayamala, and the president of the Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FKCCI, Uma Reddy. Beauty and personal care market worth $30 billion. The Indian beauty and personal care market, estimated to be worth over $30 billion, is projected to grow at a robust pace over the coming years, driven by rising disposable incomes, increasing urbanization, digital commerce, and evolving consumer preferences. With one of the world's youngest populations and a rapidly expanding middle class, India is becoming a key growth engine for the global cosmetics industry. The global beauty industry is increasingly looking towards India not merely as a consumer market but as a strategic hub for innovation, manufacturing, and product development. Cosmetica 2026 will serve as a platform to connect brands, suppliers, distributors, retailers, and beauty professionals, while showcasing the immense opportunities that India offers, said Cyril Parayara, MD, Triune Exhibitors Private Limited. Growth opportunities span multiple categories including premium skincare, color cosmetics, fragrances, men's grooming products, and natural, herbal, and Ayurvedic beauty solutions. The expansion of e-commerce, quick commerce, and social commerce platforms has enabled brands to reach consumers in Tier II and Tier III cities, creating unprecedented opportunities for market penetration and brand building. The event will also spotlight emerging trends such as clean beauty, sustainable packaging, cruelty-free formulations, beauty technology, and personalized skincare solutions, which are increasingly influencing purchasing decisions among Gen Z and millennial consumers. At the same time, industry experts will deliberate on key challenges facing the sector, including regulatory compliance, counterfeit products, supply chain resilience, raw material price volatility, and intensifying competition. Discussions and networking sessions during the exhibition will focus on strategies to address these challenges while sustaining growth. The key segments at Cosmetica 2026 are cosmetics and finished products, ingredients and formulations, packaging and machinery, professional salon and spa, and beauty tech and digital. The last segment will see AI-driven personalization tools, virtual try-on technology, digital marketing services, and e-commerce solutions. As international beauty companies deepen their engagement with India, the message is becoming increasingly clear: the future growth story of the global cosmetics industry will be written in India. Cosmetica 2026 is organized in association with All India Hair and Beauty Association. 26,000 members in India. All India Cosmetics and Beauty Association. 15,000 association members. Professional Beauty Association. 12,000 association members. All India Cosmetics Manufacturing Association with 9,000 association members. All India Cosmetology and Dermatologist Association of India with 1,500 association members. For further details, contact mobile number 98,440 06736. Website www.cosmeticexpo.in